Hello everyone, it's Cassie, back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a YouTube channel, but I'm back on it. And this one is going to be for first timers on makeup, but E.L.F. products edition. So the first thing I have here is the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. So you put primer on if you want before foundation to protect it and for your pores to be smooth so your foundation looks good. So this is what I used when I first started off makeup wearing primer. It looks like this. You can tell I've used this a lot. It's really good. You could use this with your fingers to put it on your face, or you could use a brush. I use a brush because I don't really like the feeling of it, but it's really good for first timers. So that's that product. Second product is foundation. I just got this from influencers, the E.L.F. Camo CC cream. It's full coverage and natural finish. It's got also SPF 30 for sunscreen in it. This is what I'm currently using right now, and it's working really well. You could squeeze it out, but with this, it's definitely kind of not fully coverage, but some people you can build it up to the coverage. This is good for first time users and if you're out in the sun a lot. So this is what I would recommend for first timers. Second thing is E.L.F. This is highlighter. I do not know the shade on this anymore because it's been years. This is one of my favorite highlighters from them. If you're wanting it still be glowy but also settled but not very shiny, for starting off with makeup, if you want it for a natural glow, it works very well. And I'll show you what it looks like on skin. See, it's not that shiny. It's just very, very subtle, but I like it for beginners. The next thing is setting spray by E.L.F. This is what I put on. You can put it before you put on any makeup and after your makeup to set it. You don't have to use setting spray, but I like it because it keeps my makeup lasting longer and it don't really smudge my makeup throughout the day, especially now wearing masks during coronavirus. So this would be good for first time users to test out, and gives you a little bit to test, so I like that. I also have a second primer from E.L.F. This is what I used before the putty primer. This is like a kind of grip kind. It's also you pump in your hand. It's not pink, it's clear. It's just the container. But to me, I don't use this anymore because my skin's mature, but for younger viewers, this works perfectly. It grips more better than the poreless primer putty one, but this is if you don't want to really use it with your hand or want something easier to pump out in a hurry. Next I can't use this because I'm allergic to strawberry. So this is like a berry. This is a lip balm by them. This is brand new that they're coming out with. I didn't have this as a kid. I can't test this personally because of that, but if you're not allergic to strawberries or anything or berries, this would be perfect for you. It's a lip balm. It's supposed to moisturize and also exfoliate. So there's that. Next I have also kind of new products that they've been coming out with is liquid eyeshadows. This is red glitter. I like these for if I want to do glam. I put these in the corner of my eyes, and I kind of set it a little bit with shimmer powder too because I don't wait that long for it to dry, but this is what it looks like on the skin. And it's in a little thing like this. It's very, very shiny. It's so pretty for like Christmas or anytime you want to wear anything red. But it works as good as Stilla's liquid eyeshadows. They kind of like dupes for them, but it works same thing if you like that. Next, I just started getting into brow products, and this is one of the things I've tried, is E.L.F. brow gel. This is in a brownish blonde shade. I use this for my brow sometimes if I want to set it and everything. But you don't have to use this or for a natural brow look. You can try that if you want to be, like if you have perfect brows and you don't want too much color. It'll give you a little color and it'll also keep them from flying away everywhere. Next, I have their eyeshadows. These are perfect for like trying out because you get naturals. They also do have other shades. This is just one I got for naturals. It's got 2 matte and 2 shimmers in it. I'm gonna swatch those for you. So this is the matte shades I'm gonna do first. So what it looks like on the fingers. That's the swatch. Here's the other matte shade. Nice brown. That's what it looks swatched with those two. Next will be the shimmers. This is like a golden brown shade. Very shiny for the lid. But if I first started off, this is what I would use. I didn't use too much eyeshadow back in the day, but yeah, these are all the shades. But very pigmented for a drugstore brand. Perfect for it. Last thing I have is E.L.F. Lip gloss or lip gloss. That's what I'm used to calling it. Some kids call it something else. Or back then they used to call them lip smackers, but lip gloss. And this pretty shade, it's clear, kind of like pearlish. If you don't want to wear lipstick or anything, if you're not into that, but you want something to make your lips look good, this will hydrate and it gives you a little bit of sparkle. It's clear. Clear is best for that. You can kind of see the sparkles and it's clear. But I like this. I'm not a big fan on lip gloss, but when I do, that's the color choice I go to. So this is part of what you can do for a full face or certain products if you want to try being a first time into makeup and everything. This is it, guys. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channels, the people I do have. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite drugstore products. What's your favorite product in this video that you would try, and if you tried them, tell me how you like them. Thank you. Bye, guys.